Braze Visual Commands is a simple and easy to use tool. It allows you to expose functions within your Unity application, which can then be executed at a press of a button or touch of a finger if you're on mobile. The tool has cross-platform support and was built from the ground up to work great on mobile devices. It comes with over 120 different customization options, but by default it's set up for you to just plug and play. A wide range of parameter types are supported, 18 and counting. Limit parameter input within certain ranges with custom parameter range types. Customize the size and position of the window for PC, mobile landscape and mobile portrait all independently. Be sure to check out the user guide in the description of the asset store page. Any questions about the tool, please don't hesitate to get in touch.